Hello viewers, you're all welcome to my channel. My name is Jadsax, the saxophone instructor right here in this channel. I am going to be teaching on the topic saxophone modes. I need you to know that modes is just like every other skills that you're familiar with. Alright? Now it's just like every other skills that you've already been playing. Modes has several degrees. The first degree is the one we refer to as Aeolian mode, which will interest you to also know that it is your major scale. A movement that runs from do to do, alright? Where you have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. That is your what? Your Aeolian mode. Dorian mode. Dorian mode is the second degree of modes, which runs from what? Re to re. Okay? Now, the Dorian mode scale is do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, to, do. Alright? Do, to, la, to, fa, mo, re, do. Okay, now where you have the third to be flattened and the seventh degree to be flattened. Right? Now, this is how it sounds, right? This is Dorian mode scale. Okay, now we are actually working on the key of C. Okay, now to play your C Dorian mode, I want to show you one tweak. There is a tweak you can have which will make you to remember your Dorian mode. Now I want to show you a tweak to always remember your Dorian mode. Now here's the tweak. Turn your do on the key of C to re. And when you turn this to re, you will believe me that you are automatically going to be playing on the key of B flat. Alright? Because key C is the re for your B flat. So you'll be playing re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. You must always remember to start from re and end on re. Okay? That you are playing B flat now doesn't mean you should stop on do while running the scale. You must always stop on your what? On your re, which is the second degree. Alright? Okay, so there's going to be sounding like what? Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Which is also the same thing as you play do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, to, do, to, la, sol, fa, mo, re. So this is it now. You'll be playing. That is what? Your Dorian mode. C Dorian mode to be precise. Okay? Remember what I said about this C Dorian mode? I said the trick to always remember this your C Dorian mode is to be referring to your do as what? As re. And the only key you are going to have this do as re is B flat. So you'll be playing from where? Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re. Okay, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, which is the same thing as you play do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, to, do, la, sol, fa, mo, re, do. Alright, so this is your what? C Dorian mode. It's as simple as playing it in this way. Always remember that you can easily turn your do on the key of C to re, alright? And to the key you are going to have this as re is going to be B flat or A sharp, alright? So then you have it as what? Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. That is your what? Dorian mode. And now we shall be discussing on the third degree of your mode. Okay? The third degree is the one we refer to as Phrygian mode. Now, how do you play this your Phrygian mode? just like I earlier explained on Dorian, on your do, which is your root on the key of C, to mi, right? And you will believe me that the key to which you are going to have this your do as mi is going to be G sharp. Alright? So you will now be playing what? Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi. Alright? So because Phrygian is the third degree which runs from where? Mi to mi. Okay? Now, ordinarily, the Phrygian scale is this. Do, di, mo, fa, sol, si, do, do. Alright? Do, di, mo, fa, sol, si, do, do. But trust me, it's very easy for anybody to forget these scales. And that is why these tweaks are very necessary for you to turn your root into the degree of the mode you are playing on. But always remember to land on that same note. Alright? Now this is it. Now talking about the Phrygian mode now, I'll be playing what? Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Alright, this is making me now to be playing on the key of what? G sharp, which is also referred to as what? A flat. Now I'll be playing what? Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Now here how it's going to be sounding. Sounding as what? Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi. Which is making you now to be playing what? Mi to mi on G sharp. Okay? Which is making you now to be playing what? G sharp. Alright? Now, and the Phrygian scale is what? Do, di, mo, fa, sol, si, do, do. Remember? Okay? Just like I said, it's very easy for anybody to forget do, di, mo, fa, sol, si, do, do. But with this tweak of you turning your root to the degree of the mode you are playing, you can never forget it, right? So which will now be making you to be playing on what? G sharp, right? So you now be playing mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Alright? You cannot forget mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. It's not possible. That is one of the easiest ways for you to master your what? Phrygian mode, which is what? The third degree of your mode. And now to continue, we'll be looking at the fourth degree of mode, which we refer to as Lydian. Okay? Lydian mode is the fourth degree of your mode, which will be running from what? Fa to fa. Alright? So you have it as what? Fa to fa. So now, in this case, what you will be doing, the easiest tweak again to remember your Lydian mode is to turn your C, alright, which is your root. Remember, we are playing on the key of C, alright? Is to turn your root on the key of C to what? To the fourth degree, which is Fa. So you now be playing what? Fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. Okay? So now, you agree with me that what you are doing now is what? You playing on the key of G. Alright? Because this is what? Your Fa on the key of G. So you are playing Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa. Alright? And here is the scale. The scale in itself is what? Do, Re, Mi, Fi, Sol, La, Ti, Do. This is the easiest of all modes. Lydian mode is the easiest of all modes because what you are just going to be doing is just to what? To turn your Fa to Fi. Alright? You turning your Fa to Fi makes you to be playing what? Lydian mode. Okay? So you now have it as what? Do, Re, Mi, Fi, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Hear it. mentioned, if you turn this to fa, which implies that you are now going to be playing on the key of G, you'll now be playing what? Fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. So you have it like. That is how to play your what? Your Lydian mode. The next mode to talk about is the Mixolydian mode, which is the 5th degree of the mode. Alright, now talking about the Mixolydian, which is the 5th, is this kind of mode that runs from what? From saw to saw. Right? Saw to saw. Okay, now playing this now, what you are going to be playing is this. You're going to have it as what? The scale in itself is what? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, do, do. Okay, now the difference between your Mixolydian mode and your major scale now is what? A flattened 7th. Okay, so it's very easy also, just like in the case of that of your what? Of Lydian. Alright, so here what you're going to be having is what? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, do, do. Alright, this is C, D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C. This will give you your what? Your Mixolydian mode on the key of C. And the trick to remember this your Mixolydian mode is for you to turn your root, which is your do, to sol. So you'll now be playing sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Alright? Now, to which of the keys can you have your do here on the key of C as sol? Alright? You will believe me that that key is going to be what? The key of F. Alright? The key of F. Now, on this key of F, so I will be playing what? Sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol. Okay, so now let's hear how it will sound on the saxophone, the Mixolydian mode. That is how to play your Mixolydian mode. And now the next mode to consider is the one we refer to as Aeolian mode. This Aeolian mode is the 6th degree of your mode. Okay, Aeolian mode is the 6th degree of your mode. Now this same Aeolian mode is the one we refer to as natural minor. Alright, now how do you play your Aeolian mode? Here is your Aeolian mode scale. You have it as what? Do, re, mo, fa, sol, si, do, do, si, sol, fa, mo, re, do, re, mo, fa, sol, si, do, si, sol, fa. Alright? Mo, re, do. This is your Aeolian mode. Again, I'm going to show you the easiest tweak to remember your Aeolian mode. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is to turn your root, which is your do, to a la. Okay? And you believe me that the key you are going to have your do here as la is going to be what? E flat. Alright? So if I turn this my do to la, that implies I'm going to be playing what? I'm going to be playing E flat. So I'll be playing what? La to la. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Right, hear it now. I'll take it slowly this time around. that is how to play your Aeolian mode. Now, the last on the degree of our mode is the one we refer to as Locrian mode. Alright, Locrian mode, which is the 7th degree. This runs from T to T. Okay, and now you have the scale to be what? Do, di, mo, fa, fi, si, do, do. Okay, do, di, mo, fa, fi, si, do, do. I'm going to take it again. Remember, we are playing on the key of C. Do, di. Alright, this is my D, which is my C sharp, right? Do, di, mo, fa, fi, si, do, do. Okay, now that is the scale. But now I'm going to show you the easiest tweak to play your Locrian mode. Okay, now to play your Locrian mode, what you're going to do is to turn your do again to T. Alright, you know T is the 7th degree, right? So you turn your do to T. Okay, now which of the keys can you actually have your do as T? Alright, and that key is the key of C sharp. Okay, so which implies now that you will now be playing what? You turn your do to T and you'll be playing what? Ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So I'll stop on T. Then I'll go back again. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti. That is the easiest tweak to play your Locrian mode, turning your do on the key of C to what? To T, which implies you will then be playing what? C sharp. But you'll be starting from what? T and stops at what? T. Alright? Ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti. Alright? So now let's hear how it's going to be sounding on the saxophone, right? That is how to play your Locrian mode.